Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a psychological secret that can completely transform the way a woman sees you. Have you ever wondered why some men effortlessly make women feel deeply connected, while others struggle to keep their attention? Well, here's the thing. It's not about looks, money, or even grand gestures. It's about something much simpler, yet incredibly powerful. What if I told you that the way you talk about your goals and dreams can make her see a future with you? Sounds intriguing, right? Stick around, because we're about to break this down step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this psychological insight to build a deeper connection. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. Why does talking about your goals and dreams matter so much? From a psychological perspective, women are naturally drawn to men who have a sense of purpose and direction. But here's the twist. It's not just about your dreams. It's about how you subtly include her in them. When you talk about your future in a way that makes her feel like she's a part of it, it plants a seed in her mind. Suddenly, she's not just thinking about you in the present. She's imagining what life could be like with you in the future. And that's where the magic happens. Now, let's talk about how to do this without coming across as desperate or overbearing. The key is subtlety. For example, instead of saying, "I want to travel the world," you could say, "I've always wanted to visit Japan. I feel like you'd love the culture and food there." Do you see the difference? You're not forcing her into your plans. You're simply creating a space where she can see herself alongside you. This taps into her natural desire for emotional connection and partnership. It's not about manipulation. It's about showing her that you value her presence in your life. Here's the science behind why this works. Women are wired to seek emotional security and long-term potential in a partner. When you talk about your goals and dreams in a way that includes her, it signals that you're not just thinking about yourself. You're thinking about us. This triggers a sense of emotional safety and trust, which are crucial for building a deep, lasting connection. It's not just about words, it's about creating a vision that she can emotionally invest in. Let's look at some real-life examples. Imagine you're talking about your career goals. Instead of saying, "I want to be a successful entrepreneur," you could say, "I'm working on this business idea, and I feel like your creativity would be such a huge help." Or if you're discussing your dream home, you could say, "I've always wanted a cozy place with a big kitchen. I can totally see us cooking together there." These small tweaks in your language can make a world of difference. They show her that you're not just dreaming for yourself, you're dreaming for both of you. Of course, it's important to strike the right balance. You don't want to come across as someone who can't stand on their own. Women are also attracted to men who have their own passions and ambitions. So, while it's great to include her in your dreams, make sure you're also showcasing your independence and drive. It's about showing her that you're a complete person on your own, but you'd love to share your journey with her. Now, you might be wondering, how do I even start this kind of conversation? The best way is to keep it natural. Share your goals and dreams in a casual, confident way, and then invite her input. For example, you could say, "I've been thinking about starting a podcast. What do you think would make it interesting?" This not only includes her in your vision, but also shows that you value her opinion. It's a win-win. And there you have it. The psychological secret to making her see a future with you. It's not about grand gestures or over-the-top declarations. It's about the subtle, intentional ways you include her in your dreams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And if you're ready to dive deeper into the psychology of attraction and relationships, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because we've got a lot more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best way to someone's heart is through authenticity and shared dreams. See you in the next video.